Hey guys, Nick Hutchins with MarineMax Clearwater here. Today I want to show you through this brand new Sea Ray 320 Sundancer coupe. The coupe gives you the full glass enclosure with the hard top. And this is one of their newer models, being an outboard. And very unique in the sense that it has a bow rider on top of the cabin, a true bow rider where you can sit in instead of just sitting on top of the bow. So let's jump up inside and show you through all that. So starting here on the swim platform, you can see we have lots of space to walk between the engines and your rear storage compartment. Nice, very easily accessible walk-through. It comes into a large cockpit area, grill and fridge on the starboard side with a freshwater sink. And because this is the coupe version again, you've got a fully air-conditioned Helm. This boat comes loaded with full electronics, joystick piloting, automatic trim tabs, full controls right here from the Helm, including fusion, waterproof radio system with Bluetooth. Full glass window opening here that leads up to the Helm. Just give it a slide open. Up front we've got great big sun pads, 3 individual ones with armrests, as well as an additional control for your stereo over there, so you can have your own volume up front while you're enjoying some sunshine. Finally headed downstairs. Nice size V-Berth. I'm 6'2", there's plenty of room to stand up in here. You've got a little mini kitchen down here with a fridge and a microwave. Our mid-berth, 2 seats right there facing each other. They slide together to make your master mid-berth bed back there. And then finally, awesome size wet head here with everything you need. Great all-around boat. Outboards give you the flexibility to get into shore, get up to the islands. Bow rider gives you that day boat feel, but then having a cabin downstairs really makes this pretty much the perfect all-around boat for Southern Florida. If you guys have any questions, give me a call, 303-875-3988, or shoot me a text. I'm here to help. Thanks.